Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will demonstrate the trial run of the cardboard shredder with material. The machine is designed to handle large volumes of cardboard. An optional hopper can be installed on the top, allowing a large quantity of cardboard to be loaded before the machine starts operating. If a material jam occurs, the motor reverse function can be activated to release the jam. Once the blockage is cleared, the machine can resume forward rotation and continue normal operation. The motor reverse function effectively reduces downtime caused by material jams, improving the stability, reliability, and continuous operation of the machine. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.